Hi, I'm the student Breno Lopez Mafra, and in this group we also have Carlos, Gustavo, and Lucas, and today we are excited to present you our final project. Starting by me, the name of my feature is Choose Loot System, and if I would state the purpose in one sentence, it would be a loot system that the player can choose one from two items. First of all, as you can see, all of us in the team have access to the repository. As I am the first person to add my feature to this application, for now, there's only my branch created here with the name Choice Loot System. And here in the pull request, you can see that I merged. There's one closed pull request that I added my feature. So it says here that it was merged. Talking a little bit about the code, what I did was a lot of modifications here in the functions use loot and collect loot, and then I called them here in the main.py where it states the loot collection and the loot using. Here, when we run the application with no errors, the first thing that the game asks is the combat strength. So I'm gonna put the hero's combat strength and the monster combat strength and roll a dice to see which weapon I'm gonna have. Here as well, you can see that it's loading from the saved files, the total monsters killed from the previous game, and makes a decision about it. So here, analyze the hero's weapon that is a gun. The game prints a message about this right here. And then we roll the dice for the health points. We can see the health points for the hero and the monsters. And then here, you can see that the feature that I did begins. First of all, the player finds a bag with 4 items. So it's two pairs of 2 items each. And then the player chooses one from 2 items in the first pair and from the second pair as well. And then after the choices, the player put the items in his belt. So in this part, you can see the use of a list comprehension loop. And to apply the use of nested conditional statements that it's right here, you can see that based on the items that the player chose, it makes some decisions, different decisions, and for example, it can increase health or decrease. It can increase like a shield, and that's my feature I did to it. After that, the game asks us for the quantity of dream levels to go down. So if I put, for example, 2, and then fight to the monster, so I have killed the monster here in this game, and then it asks for my name with 2 words, and then the game, if I put it, it's gonna save in the save.txt file, and then the game is done.